Hey, welcome guys. I'm back and still in chapter 10, and in this chapter we are going to be working on wrapping artwork around a particular object. This is kind of a fun thing to do, so I wanted to make sure that I demoed it for you. Again, we're in the textbook Adobe Illustrator Creative Cloud Revealed by Chris Botello. You should have 10-7 open, and then we are going to save it as tin can or tea can and your name. All right, in the first step we're going to select all, Command or Control A, depending on what system you're on, and then we are going to go to Effect on the menu, point to 3D and revolve. Going to preview it just to make sure that it looks as it's intended to look, which it does, and then we're going to click OK. We're going to go to 10-8 document, so we'll go to File and Open. Going to open 10-8. Going to select all, which is Command or Control A, Command or Control C to copy, and then we're going to close this out. And we're going to open the Symbols panel. We're going to go to Edit on the menu bar, click Paste or Command V, and then we're going to drag the pasted artwork onto the Symbols panel, and that is with the Move tool. Click, drag, and drop it here. And you'll see that little plus that allows us to do that. That opens the Symbol Options dialog box. We're going to name the new symbol Elephant Rectangle. We're going to click the Type list arrow, click Graphic, and then click OK. And then the artwork is added to the symbols pattern, and you'll see that here. We're going to delete this pasted item on the artboard. We're going to then open 10-9. We're going to select all, Command or Control A, Command or Control C, and then we're going to close out this artwork. We're going to paste it into our tea can. And then, as we did previously, we're going to drag that onto the Symbols panel. We're going to name this the elephant circle. We're going to click on the down-facing arrow and make sure it's called a graphic, and then click OK. We're going to delete that from our artboard. Now we're going to get the selection tool, which I already have. We're going to select the silver object, and then we are going to press the up arrow on your keyboard 8 times so that the silver artwork is fully under the purple lid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go to the 3D Revolve on the Appearance panel. So we want to open up the Appearance panel. And we're going to click on 3D Revolve options, or the 3D options dialog box. And we're going to click Preview. And then we're going to click Map Art. You'll note that the surface text reads 1 of 3 and that a red line indicates that surface on the object is shown in figure 75, and you'll see that in just a moment. You're going to click the next surface 2 times so that the surface text box reads 3 of 3. The light gray areas of the grid layout, which you see here, represent the visible area of the silver object at this viewing angle. Now we're going to click the symbol list arrow, and we're going to look for the elephant rectangle. And we're going to drag the top left and the bottom right resizing handles on the symbols bounding box so that the artwork fits into the light gray areas of the layout grid. We're going to drag the bottom middle resizing handle up slightly so that the silver can will show beneath the elephant label. Sorry, I accidentally changed the symbol, trying to use one of my arrows, keyboard arrows, so I'm going to have to redo this just a second. All right, now we're going to click the Shade Artwork Slower checkbox. We're going to click OK. And then we are going to click More Options if they're not already showing and change the ambient light setting to 65%. We're going to change the highlight intensity setting to 80%. And we're going to change the number of blend steps to 128. And then we're going to move the light to the location shown in figure 77. We're going to click OK. We're going to deselect all and then compare your work to figure 78 or mine on the screen. In the Map Art dialog box, you selected the symbol that you wanted to map and the surface to which we wanted to map it. All right, now we're going to map the round artwork. So we are going to click the purple cover object. We're going to click the 3D revolve on the appearance panel. We're going to click the preview checkbox. And then we're going to click Map Art. We're going to click the Next Surface button once so that the surface text box reads 2 of 5. We're going to click the symbol list arrow. And we're going to click the elephant circle. We're going to point to the upper right resizing handle until a rotate cursor appears. Then we're going to drag to rotate the graphic to the position shown in 79 or on my screen in just a moment. We're going to click OK to map the Art dialog box to close the Map Art dialog box. Click OK again. Deselect all. And then compare your work to figure 80 or mine on the screen. All right, we're going to open 10-10. We're going to select all. We're going to copy the artwork, Command-C or Control-C, depending on what you're on a PC or a Mac. We're going to close out this document. We're going to return to the TCAN. Again, we're going to verify that the symbols pattern or panel is visible. We're going to go to Edit on the menu bar, click Paste, and then we're going to drag that pasted symbol onto the symbol panel. We're going to name this new symbol Cover Texture. We're going to click on the Type List arrow and make it a graphic, and then we're going to click OK. Then we're going to delete the pasted artwork from the artboard. We're going to click the purple covered object. We're going to go back to the appearance panel. Going to click on the 3D revolve mapped. We're going to click Preview, checkbox, and Map Art. We're going to click the Next Surface button until the surface text box reads 5 of 5. Well, one too many. 5 of 5. We're going to click the symbol list arrow, and we're going to click on Cover Texture. We're going to position the artwork so that it covers the entire light gray area as shown in figure 81 or mine on the screen in just a moment. We're going to click OK to close the Map Art dialog box. We're going to drag the light to the location as shown in figure 82 or mine on the screen in just a moment. And then we're going to click OK. Deselect all. I'm going to close out this appearance panel. And then compare your work to figure 83 or mine on the screen. You're going to save this out, Command or Control S, and then we can close out this object or this project. And I think that's it for today. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me to do some additional demos. Otherwise, I will see you later.